Hey guys, what is up? It is Simone here. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, make sure you go ahead and subscribe before you leave. It's been a long time since I've done an entire try on haul, but I'm going to be doing a try on haul with Prettylittlething. I am so used to short form content and for TikTok and Instagram that doing YouTube videos are so different now. 15 seconds versus 12 minutes is so different, but now I can go in detail, give you all the links, the sizes, and so forth. So I'm actually kind of excited about that. We're not going to talk long. If you need any sizing, my height, my measurements, it will be all down below in the description box, and all the links will be there as well. All right, let's get started. So jumping straight into the try on haul, we have this green two-piece. Now, I absolutely love it and the material and how it looks, but I don't really know what it is. I was looking online. I seen this one girl wear it as a birthday outfit on the street, but then in this picture, I'm seeing the lady wear it and it looks like it's a cover-up. Actually, I've also seen girls wear it as a cover-up to the beach. So I'm like, is it a cover-up or is it an actual outfit? I have a hard time believing that it might be an actual outfit because it's really a sarong on the bottom. You're literally tying it. I just feel like if you are wearing regular panties, you are going to be exposed, okay? There's no way of really keeping it up unless you find your own little hack or something. So I don't know what it is. But I think because I am going on vacation, I am going to bring it with me and possibly wear it. The other reason why I don't know if it's a cover-up is because it's not a thick material, but it's thicker than what you would want to wear to the beach because the top is kind of double lined. Keep that in mind if you are going to wear it as a cover-up. However, I think it's really cute and I actually really like it. I just got to figure out how and where I'm going to wear it to. The top, I did get, I think, a size 4 or a 2. Whatever size I got, I would say to get one size up. Just because the top part, it does you do have to use boob tape. Because if not, it's going to show your boobs if you do plan on wearing this top on the street. As far as the skirt, sorry guys, I'm using daylight right now and the sun is just going behind the cloud. It just depends on what you want to wear it for. I would have gotten a size up just so that it does not expose my boobs because I feel like fashion tape still might not be enough. But if you feel like you are going to wear it to the beach and you don't really care, then don't worry about fashion tape, get your size. Other than that, I think it's a great material, especially for a pretty little thing, and I wish I would have gotten it in another color. To the second look, we have this two-piece bikini. I never really do high-waisted. It's just not my thing. I don't like it. I feel like high-waisted just gives me a longer ass, and I feel like my butt is already it's not really there. It's there, but it's not really there, and I feel like a high-waisted panty kind of makes my butt look longer and flatter, and I don't like that. So therefore, I usually don't go with things that are high-waisted and full coverage in the back. However, if you are a girl that doesn't like a lot of your butt to be exposed or things up your butt, like a thong or just boy shorts, then I would say that this bikini might be for you. And I think the cool thing about this bikini is it's so sexy and it just looks so much higher end than what it is. I think it's kind of cool because it's a great price, and again, it fits perfect. Even the boob area, it holds everything up. It doesn't feel like it's gonna slide down. Obviously, it is strapless, so you can't go swim laps in this thing. Let's not take it there. But you can definitely be comfortable and come out of the pool without having to worry about the top sliding down. At least that's what it feels like. So 10 out of 10. So the second item is gonna actually be the two-piece black set. Love, 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 love. I love it. It just gives me the 90s feel, especially with my hair like this. It was giving Moesha or one of those shows from back in the day. I absolutely love how it fits on my body. It is a slinky material. I do believe it's a tad bit see-through, so I would definitely wear black panties or black boy shorts underneath this because you don't want it to be showing in the daytime. However, when I did try to wear it outside, to bend over and look, I didn't see, but I do know that inside I can see the tags slightly through it, so that kind of is a little bit of a worry. So I don't know. I am gonna wear it on vacation because I just think it just looks just breezy, easy, and cool. I love co-ord sets because I feel like I could wear the top with something else and I could wear the pants with something else. So I feel like this outfit gives you so much options and ideas. The pant leg are wide leg. I'm 5'2", and I feel like if I were to wear sandals or something, I wouldn't mind the small amount dragging on the floor. But if I wear heels, it works even better and it just makes my legs look so much more longer. So I love it. I highly recommend. If they have another color, I am gonna get it in another color because I just love the way it feels on my body. And it's just so light, perfect for the summer. The green dress, love it. I just love how slinky it is. And it's It's funny because I saw this dress in the shape section. I don't know what the shape section means in Pretty Little Thing. Like, does that mean like plus size or curvy? I don't really know what it means. Got it in my typical size, which was a small. And I honestly ended up really liking the dress. I love the material of it and how slinky it is. I also love how thin and just airy. Again, one of those nice vacation dresses. You're going out to dinner, you throw some heels on with a cute purse, and it just looks good all on its own. So absolutely love that dress. You can make it shorter, you can make it longer. The left side of the dress is a little bit short, so if you do have a butt, you might be exposing the world a little bit. But also if you have a butt, just don't scrunch it all the way up. Like, leave it long and let your body do the talking, okay? You could wear pants with it if you wanted to, because it can go really short, or you can just wear it as a dress. And I think for me, I'm gonna wear it as a dress. The next item is gonna be this beige skirt with this white top. I loved it. Now the skirt is a little snug on me, but I can still bend down and pick up something if it falls. Like, it's not gonna rip. I wouldn't get a bigger size because it wouldn't fit the way that I want it to fit, because the funny thing is, it's more so snug by my thighs. I have thighs, and my thighs are kind of, protruding, but the stomach area, it is loose. So keep that in mind. If you are going to buy that skirt, just get your regular size. Maybe size up. Next, I absolutely loved the top because it is actually a really good material. Like, it's double lined, so you don't have to worry about it being see-through. It fits great. It's nice and snug. It has a very cooling feel to it, and it's a cute white crop top. Who doesn't want that? That's also great material. Then I also got this bag. I thought it was really nice. I like the way I actually love the color, and I just love this color for vacation or to go along with whites or nudes, and this one I think goes perfect. I also love how it also comes like with enough room to be able to go over your whole entire arm and not be all up underneath your armpits. But then when I actually received this bag, they actually did it in a way where they tucked the handle, so you were able to wear it as a clutch. So I was like, 2-in-1. Absolutely love it for that reason as well. And it's a good size. So my vlogging camera can fit perfect in here and a bunch of other things while I'm on vacay, so it's perfect. Or even if I'm here in Atlanta. Then I also got these cute, like, simple brown shoes. I love a simple brown look because I tend to wear like all white on vacation, or like a green, or like, a soft yellow, and I feel like these shoes can kind of go with everything. And I think that is why I love a simple shoe like this. It can go cute with a bikini and a cover up depending on what color it is. Actually, any color, with a black outfit, black bathing suit. So I think those are cute and simple for like everyday use. So I got those. Now this next outfit, highly questionable, okay? And you know what? I should have been alarmed when they call the shorts hot shorts on the Pretty Little Thing website. So it obviously comes together. No, I think it comes separate, but I wanted it to be like a nice, like, coordinate set where I could wear the top and the bottom together. The top, I think, is so cute. It's sexy. I love the back out. I love how it's the cute, like, flaps over the boobs. I love it. I could wear it with white jeans, white shorts, blue jeans, blue shorts, whatever. The shorts look like pajama shorts and they're see-through. I can't wear that on the street. At least I'm not gonna wear it on the street. So I just gonna have to either return them or just wear it to bed. So yeah, if the color of this video is changing, it's because I'm using daylight and the sun is just doing its own thing. It's going behind the clouds. As you can see, it's dark again. So yeah, love the top. Hate the bottom. Don't even buy the bottom. It's see-through. Even if you're into that, it's just see-through. It is a little bit snug too, the bottom. The top, perfect. I don't know what size I got, but I'll put it down below. So make sure you keep looking down below to see what's there as far as sizes and links. Next, I think this might be, the white sandals. Love a white, simple, basic sandal. I could wear it with anything. So I got that. It fits perfect. I think I got a size 6. I'm a size 6. I probably got a size 7. So I choose to like go up one size just because I feel like the shoes is always weird and I have wide feet and I just don't have time for it. So I always just go up one size. So I probably got a size 7 in this and it fits perfect. If I didn't and I got a size 6, then I mean the 6 fits perfect. So I'll double check as I'm doing this video. The last thing was this orange shirt. I think the orange shirt is so cute. You will have to use boob tape because your boobs might slip out of it. I'm just gonna keep it real. I feel like this part is a little too wide because I have to keep on like making sure I like pull it over. Again, a simple bit of boob tape could easily fix that, but if you don't want to wear that, then your next option would be to just simply don't get the shirt. But I love that. I love the color. I love the color. I love the way it feels on my skin. I love the design in it. If you do want to make the shirt tighter, you can control that by just pulling the strings like more down, and the little like, you know, diamonds in like the chest and the corset area. The little diamonds in the corset area will get smaller and basically non-existent. So yeah, just make sure that you are pulling it so that it can get tighter on your body. But I absolutely love it, and I would wear it with white pants. I would wear it with blue jeans. Yeah, that was actually the original look when I seen it on the website. If I could find some orange shoes, I think it would look so cute, but I couldn't find any in time, and that's what I had seen online. I was like, oh my god, that's so cute. It's so summery. Absolutely loved everything though. I'm not gonna lie. Everything. I used to be so scared to order from Prettylittlething because they just would always consistently mess me up. And I'm gonna tell y'all this. The quality has gotten so much more better, and honestly I feel like the quality and the fit of things have gotten better. I will always tell people, be careful when you're buying. Like, don't buy certain stuff. Like, if you can't see that item in different colors, in different materials, in different pictures, don't buy it. But if you can see like one item in 4 different colors, chances are you can usually tell if it's going to be good, if it's going to look good, if it's going to feel good. If it's one color, you're taking a risk. So just be careful with that. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. I have a love-hate thing with Prettylittlething, and that's because some things are really a hit or miss, and then some things just look really amazing. It just really depends on what you order. Obviously, you can't tell what you're ordering from online sometimes because the photos be looking A1. So a lot of times it is best to watch trial hauls, or just like maybe if you see what your friend has or somebody else has online, you can go based off of that. But it's always a risk. So for me to have everything look great and just one item be a little bit off, I'll take it. I'm gonna see if I can return it before it's too late. And yeah. But thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. There will be more try-on hauls to come, and I'll see you guys in my next video.